When a truck accident happens in Oklahoma, the outcome of the case often depends on one thing: evidence. Truck accident claims are very different from regular car accident cases because they can involve commercial trucking companies, multiple responsible parties, electronic records, and aggressive insurance investigations that begin almost immediately after the crash. In many situations, the trucking company is already working to control the story before victims even understand the full extent of their injuries. One of the most important pieces of evidence is the accident scene itself. Photos of vehicle damage, skid marks, debris, cargo spills, lane markings, guardrails, and road conditions can help explain exactly how the collision happened. Witness statements are also critical because truck accident cases often come down to detailed disputes about speed, braking, lane movement, and whether the victim had any chance to avoid impact. Electronic evidence can completely change the direction of a truck accident case. Many commercial trucks contain electronic systems that record speed, braking activity, throttle use, GPS movement, and operational data before a crash. Some trucks may also include telematics, dispatch communications, or inward and outward-facing cameras that help reconstruct the timeline of the collision. Driver records can also reveal whether negligence played a role in the crash. Hours of service records, qualification files, and scheduling documents may show fatigue, unsafe driving schedules, lack of training, or poor supervision by the trucking company. In some cases, these records expose larger patterns that can increase the value and seriousness of the claim. Truck accident liability does not always stop with the driver behind the wheel. Maintenance records, inspection reports, and cargo documents may reveal brake failures, tire problems, steering defects, trailer instability, or improperly secured loads. Timing can make or break a truck accident case. Electronic records can be overwritten, surveillance footage can disappear, and important company documents may become harder to obtain as time passes. Early investigation and evidence preservation can prevent key information from being lost before it is reviewed. Even when the fault seems obvious, trucking companies and insurers may still try to shift blame onto the injured person. They may argue the victim was speeding, following too closely, drifting between lanes, or failing to react in time. Oklahoma's comparative negligence rules can affect the value of a claim, which is why strong evidence is so important in proving exactly what happened. The first days after a truck accident are often overwhelming for families. Medical treatment, vehicle damage, lost income, and insurance calls can quickly create stress and confusion. Keeping photos, police report numbers, medical records, towing information, prescription receipts, and communication from insurers can help build both liability and damages evidence from the very beginning. Truck accident cases are ultimately evidence cases. The stronger the evidence, the stronger the opportunity to prove fault and pursue compensation for injuries and losses. When critical records are preserved early and thoroughly investigated, victims have a much better chance of protecting their rights after an accident. After a serious Oklahoma truck accident, every second matters because the evidence that could win your case may not last forever. Contact Bocher Law Office today for your free consultation because strong cases start with strong evidence.